Hello, good morning or good evening to everyone. Welcome to Mainframe Tutorials. You're watching REXX Tutorials. So in this tutorial I would like to explain about the arithmetic operations and how do we write in REXX and how do we use this inside the REXX programming. So it's the same like in any language, either C, C++, Oracle, Java or anything. So what are the different operations, the same arithmetic operations we are going to use in REXX. So these are the four different operators. So the plus stands for add, hyphen stands for subtract, multiply and divide. So now we are going to see how this works in mainframe REXX coding. So let me connect to the mainframe and show you how to write this REXX code using this arithmetic operation. So as usual, your REXX coding starts with /star_REXX, and you have to enter two numbers. Then you're trying to pull the two numbers from here, the pull num1 num2. So after entering the values in the console, so the variables, the data gets stored into those two variables. So here I'm going to perform three different kinds of arithmetical operations, that is trying to multiply using star, and after multiplying trying to store the data into this mul. In the same way for addition, storing the data into sum. For division, storing the data into the division. Then finally, with the help of say statement, so I'm trying to display the calculated multiplication results from the mul variable. So the same is for sum, addition, and the same is for division. So after writing this, just save your program and go to ISPF primary option. So here what you do is enter your TSO exit statement followed by your complete path and your program name. Okay, then enter. Once you enter, so it will be asking for you to enter the two numbers. So I'm trying to enter 02 and 03. The multiplication should be 6, and we'll see what the result is. So here the multiplication of two numbers is 6, and the sum of two numbers is 5, and the division of two numbers is 0.66, so on. So this is how we write a program for arithmetical operations under the REXX. So I would be coming up with more and more videos with the different topics. If you like this video, kindly please subscribe, share or comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great and